Hi friends, this video is useful for Fusion 360 beginners. We're going to make this 3D model. After watching this video, you'll get an idea on hole and rib. First go to Fusion 360, click plus icon, click new sketch. Select the top plane. In this diagram, we'll draw it in simpler way. Draw a rectangle, press R. In the diagram, the top view looks like two rectangles. So draw rectangles as shown. Press L. Draw lines as shown. Next draw arc, press S. On keyboard and type arc. Select 3-point arc. Click on ends of two lines and third point anywhere. Next remove excess lines. Press T. Select the line shown. Next give dimension as per dimension. Click the dimension icon or press D. (96), 64, 16, 40, 22, 16, 16, 20. That's it. Our basic sketch is ready. Click Finish Sketch icon to exit sketch. Click Extrude icon or press A. Select all the faces. Distance 16. Operation, new body. Click OK. Our base is now ready. And see the sketch. Again click Extrude. Select this face. Distance 48. Operation, join. Click OK. Again click Extrude. Select this face. Distance 28. Operation, join. Click OK. Next in the diagram there's a half cylindrical hole. For this click hole or press H. Select this face. Reference. Select this line. Distance 0. Reference. Select this line. Distance 12 plus 8. Extends all. Hole diameter 24. Click OK. Next click on fillet icon or press F. Select this edge. In the diagram, radius 32. Click OK. In the diagram there is a rib. We want to create rib. Click new sketch. Select this face. Click line or press L. Draw a line on edges shown. Click Finish Sketch. To create a rib, click Rib under the Create section. Select the line. Thickness options. One direction. Depth option, to next. Thickness 12. Click OK. Our 3D model is ready. In description, I'll provide a PDF for Fusion 360 shortcuts. Also 3D model and diagram. If you like this video, give a like, comment your thoughts, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.